Welcome to, I guess, video number 2 of trying to clean this mess out. This is what we're working with. I've got to organize all this crap, get another table there, and then sweep all these cobwebs out of here. I don't have arachnophobia, but I also am not a fan none of random spiders that I'm not sure what they can do to me. So I'm gonna try to get some of this done now. I don't even know where to start really. I was lucky enough to get loaned a tripod of the beautiful Obscura. Yeah, let me switch this back around, lovely mug. Go ahead and move the table out. So yeah, it's just basically a lot of stuff that needs to be done here. But the good news is there are lights. There's 4 really well-lit lights in here. I sound like a literary genius. Excuse me, I'm a little tired, but this is what happens when you stay up playing video games. We got a bag full of stuff here. This is old molds that we managed to save because they were conveniently inside these boxes that Obscura loves to collect. She's a big freak about having these things, which in the long run saved a lot of our very precious stuff. It's crazy how certain materials will melt so much quicker than others, because I had a keycap box that completely melted that had sadly all of Obscura's past keycap collections she had made. I had saved one of each one she had done for basically a master collection. And yeah, it was in a box that, no thanks Dad, one of our good friends had printed with our deceased cat Mara. So when Marilyn, we had our logo made a long time ago as her being the mascot for the company. And that box completely, I mean, I believe it was 3D printed, but it completely melted, like, to it doesn't exist anymore. Where other boxes of mine either, like, melted, like the case, for example, from Digital Carpentry, just the top of it got burnt. He replaced the top for me because he's a lovely man, but another example of the CC case, the V2, that one got singed, but completely saved all the caps. I think it's because it's metal on the inside. What else was I gonna say? I have these cheap dollar store plastic little like bins, kind of like I just had there, but they're hard boxes. I think they're kind of used to store different things. Some people use it for like tackle boxes and such, but that managed to save a bunch of caps, even though it melted the crap out of the top of it. Sadly, the toy collections and everything that I had been saving up for since I was a kid, just random things that were given to me or collected, all the toys that were a part of just the whole vape scene thing that I had somehow collected or been given. The majority of them burned because they were hung up. Pretty much everybody knows this if you're close friends, but the caps that I really loved, I kept them right in front of me on a little like cap holder. It's 3D printed by a friend of mine. But I loved having it up there because the black light underneath my desk would illuminate everything, and all the caps and keycaps would glow. And then, obviously, what happened? Anything that was out got just completely destroyed. I probably don't need this for now. You'll have to excuse my hair. I have not had the actual haircut that I need in a while. It's just kind of been one of those things I haven't been freaking out about. But yeah. Go back over to the other view once again, show you guys what I'm working with. I don't know if I can get this damn thing. There we go. So we managed to save the old shop trash can. compressor, which does somewhat work. Got both of our pots. I took the time to take and clean them out really well. So did Obscura. We tried to do as much as we could with stickers and everything. They're still kind of dirty in certain places, but obviously they still work. I think I haven't tested them completely. If the seals are busted, I can always get new seals. Um, yeah, other than that, we just have to find a way to really level the tables off to lay to take this and make it so that way it's stable enough to hold two pots, so that way it doesn't like lean or anything. I guess I could lay the pots on their sides, to be honest, and to figure out how I'm going to fit all this crap in here and still cast. It shouldn't be too hard. And I do have a rake. It's just going to be a lot of mindless video if I try to record it all. So I just figured I'd give an update, show y'all what I'm working with so far, and I'm going to get there. I'm going to get this all cleaned out so there's no cobwebs. And yeah, hopefully next time I pull a video up, it'll look a lot better than this. Love you guys. Thank you for paying attention. Sorry for rambling on. It's just how I am. Anyway, salutations. Talk to you soon.